Jim, Jim,
What?
good morning.
Huh?
Good morning. Good morning, Mama. Ma'am? Ma'am? Maya Mashahi? Wake up. Good morning.
Morning.
You want your breakfast?
Yeah.
Come, your breakfast, come. No, Mega, wake up. Hold on. Good morning, Ola. Good morning. Wake up, Ola. Wake up. Alright, you're already up. I'm gonna pull her so she can run free. Alright, go. Go. That's Maya, good morning. So Alex and Matthew still sleeping. But not trouble them. Alright, come on. We continue our morning routine. Alright, so now I'm going to connect the gas, prepare Jimbo's tea, and Jimbo like tea. Thank you, Jim. Oui, Maya. Don't not Jimbo. Give it to Jimbo, I think I go charge. Alright, so we have all this for breakfast. We have chocolate bread, we have Madeleine, and we have brioche. And we have cereal here, tea bag and coffee. For who want tea bag and coffee, and milk and syrup, strawberry jam. So, what do you want?
That.
With the tea?
Yeah.
Okay. So what? Stop.
Take the sugar.
Stop. Maya, what do you want?
Me?
Yeah, what do you want for breakfast? I know you want one glass of milk. Eh?
Can me want the vitamin?
See the red button? Milk for the little lady.
No. Mimi, not is my baby.
Okay.
Stop with baby.
It's a little lady. You want cereal with it?
No.
Or you want this one?
Me want that.
Cut.
With that.
Cut. And I am going to have some cereal. So now we're going to brush our teeth. But first, I'm going to put my phone for charge because my phone battery depends low. I have the material to go brush my teeth. So I'm going to put them to brush my teeth and I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to put my phone for charge and I'm going to brush my teeth. Bien que você. Two hours later, I still have on this for my face. I go wash that when I done from my ear. Give me the brush now. Alright, so I done comb my ear and now I go pick up our book a little bit before we leave. I pick up the book at least half hour a day. Half hour to 1 hour a day. Because all work and no book make Jack a dull boy. Amaya?
What?
All work and no play make Jack a dull boy, don't it?
Yes.
Now it's your my turn. Let me see what you do. Alright. So when they finish, we are going to pack up and get ready and go to adventure number 2 for the day. Finally finish my morning routine. Now I'm going to rinse my face off. The sun hot, people not even 12 o'clock yet. And the sun have blaze. So my face is all clean now, guys. And now we're gonna leave to go to our second destiny or second activity for today. We're already in the car, about to drive out to leave. So just waiting on Matthew. So today we'll be visiting a water park. Something's changed a little bit, so we can do something else different from go beach and go river every day. So hope you guys remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. Maya say bye. Maya.
Bye bye.
Bye.